Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a colonial era item, a British India coin. This coin was minted during Queen Victoria's era. Her ruling tenure was of 63 years and 7 months, starting from 20th June 1837 to 22nd January 1901. The denomination of this coin is Anna. It is a 1/12th Anna coin, the lowest form of Anna. The year is 1887. The material composition of this coin is copper. On the back of it has the portrait of Queen Victoria. Victoria Empress is embossed on it. Victoria was the one who succeeded King William, and she was succeeded by King Edward. Thank you for watching it.